Once again, welcome to my practical hands-on labs, and today I will walk you through how to group data using histograms. This hands-on session is part of the digital course Data Analysis using Excel. The dataset is going to be a simulation of some demand for some service recorded, and you want to study variability and spread of the data. The best visual to do this will be a histogram. Now, a histogram helps you visualize the shape, which is the frequency distribution, the center and spread of the set of continuous data, and that's enabling you to quickly pick items like skewness of the data. You can also inspect the data for its underlying distribution, whether or not it's a normal distribution, outliers, detection. You can also check skewness and so much more. So I'm going to illustrate to you how to quickly put up a histogram using Excel sheet. So you place your cursor anywhere in the data set, and from the data, in chart, you come to the chart button and you select histogram. Excel makes it really, really simple. And as you can see, you have your histogram. Now a quick walkthrough of the histogram. Now the bin size of the width of the histogram is 24. And what this means, it has the size of the bin is from the point 40 to 64, 64 to 88, 88 to 112, with the y-axis indicating the values within the bucket, which is also the bin size. So each bucket has a number of data points from your entire data set. So in this case, for instance, the bucket that contains values between 88 and 112, we have 16 data points. 112 and 136, we have 12 data points. And you could also do additional things like formatting axis, and to do that you just click on this and then you'll come to format axis. This format axis button will be displayed, and what this means is Excel automatically picks the bin size of 24 and number of bins being 5. So you could change that. If you can change the bin width to, let's say, if you change it to 10 or even 14, how would it look like? So you see that there is some skewness and there is a possibility of an outlier, a value that stands on its own, or you can observe how the graph changes. And if you change the bin width further, it now has 2 humps and a bit of outliers. So your selection of the bin size determines quite a lot in how you interpret your data. There is no specific rule of thumb that says or dictates the bin size, but a guide would be not to select so many bins. You might end up with a basin or something flat, and not selecting too few, you might end up with a tower, which will not give you a good view of the distribution or spread of your data. So the final result would be a histogram indicating the spread or distribution of your data set. And what this tells you is a majority of the demand falls between 88 and 112, and the total being 16. Thank you very much for following through. In the next short hands-on practical lab, I'm going to guide you on how to add trend lines to a chart. To be notified of any hands-on practical lab, I request that you subscribe to my channel, and you'll get a notification at each time that I upload. Until next time, thank you very much.